Okay.
Okay.
Fix the camera.
Okay.
Because I got this. Because I'm the only one paying attention. Because Jared eats his sandwiches and he makes them all the time.
Yep.
Stop laughing, you fucks. Because his name is Jared. What's the fucking thingy?
You have to get the thing.
What's the thingy?
No. Go up.
No, I mean...
Get down. Pray. Oh, shit.
Jared!
What?
Can you stop being wrong?
I
Where's the Cheetos?
didn't expect that.
Can you... Where are they?
Where are the Cheetos?
We got an hour left. We might not beat this. We still got 89 bitches to save. Unless we leave them.
No. Can't leave them. We've
God
made
damn it, Jared.
already the moral decision. There's no going back. Never go back.
Jared, why?
I can't go back. Get down. Go over to the left. Oh!
Jared,
No.
are you typing wrong?
No.
Now?
This is what you gotta do. And jump off and kill yourself. Good job.
Jared, jump off and die. Because that's what you do. Oh, because that's what you do. I almost fucking fell over in the chair.
I don't right into the thing. I would have just been like,
Yeah.
Don't
you fucking love it? Don't worry, we can fix it. We can fix it, everybody.
Oh no. Oh dear. Is it a twisty? Is it a twist in there? Is it? Wow.
Fucking babies, yo.
Maybe you want
Babies.
another one of these.
Baby. No, it's got duct tape on it. It's dark as shit in here, so I can't fix it properly. But his name is Jared, and he fucks the camera up all the time.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. No.
Yes.
No.
Don't even. I'm not listening to you.
No.
I'm not listening to you anymore. Because
No.
you know what you're talking about.
No. God.
His name is Jared.
I mean, like, at least you know what to do. At least.
Kind of. Oh,
I mean, you know what to do. There you go.
Fucking nailed it. Nailed it. Like I said, if it's a...
Now what are you gonna do? You have to get that.
I gotta jump this hole.
Nope.
Fuck these
It's out of
bitches.
order. You gotta go all the way around. You got the hiccups?
I do.
Shit. These recordings are going rough.
Shut
I
up!
think we've had more difficulties these recordings than... No, don't.
Jared, are you tired of being wrong?
You can't do that one until after
I got the hip-ups.
you've killed them.
I got the hip-ups.
The hippopotamuses?
Shut up! Shut up!
Goodness.
Okay. Shut up!
Just go to the right.
No,
Get down. Goodness.
No, we gotta hit this button.
Go to the... No! No!
No, we have to.
Don't! No, you don't. You don't want to hit the button.
We have to.
You don't. No.
Jared, shut up.
You don't want to.
Just remember, if
He's gonna run around.
Jared.
He's gonna
run
around.
Jared, listen to me.
Yeah.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to
I'm
listen
listening.
to me.
John. John.
If it doesn't happen off screen, it doesn't happen. Remember.
That doesn't make any sense.
So
Nothing of what you said makes any fucking
Shut up if you would. So when I run on screen, wait, it's not I say the fuck. What, Jared?
But he's gonna follow you into this screen.
I tried telling you that. Why did you tell me otherwise, Jared?
What?
Jared.
What?
Jared.
What?
I got the hip-ups. We're not gonna beat this. We're not gonna beat this today.
No,
We're not.
No, everybody.
I got the hip-ups.
Everybody. Everybody. Technical difficulties. Everyone, please stand by.
These hiccups are gonna sound the fucking worst. Oh no! I'm gonna die. Murdoch is gonna die because of my hiccups. Shut up, Jared!
No. No. No.
Wake up.
No. Nope.
Shut up.
Nope.
I'm not gonna barf.
Well, I just got it out just in case.
I'm not gonna barf. Oh, dude.
Alright. It's just here.
I'm not gonna. And he got mad.
I would. No, you don't want to do this yet.
Yes, I do.
No.
Jared, why didn't you tell me?
You have to go around.
Cheetos.
You have to go around. You gotta go around.
Jared,
What?
can I offer you some suggestions? Stop drinking.
Give it up. Go to the left. There you go.
I tried this before and you sucked.
Don't pull the lever.
I can't do anything else.
No, you have to go to the right. No, go down. Go down and all the way to the right. But don't pull the lever. Go down to the right. And keep going.
Can't wait to prove you fucking wrong. Shut up. I got it.
Okay.
Oh,
There
God.
Missed your opportunity. This hiccuping is going to be the worst. Oh, no.
These hiccups are going to be the death of me. Oh, God.
The end is coming. The end is coming. There's no Dr. Pepper. There was none at the Walgreens. All the walls have failed us. Walmart, Walgreens, oh fuck.
Walmart failed you. Failed you too.
That's where I went for this shit.
Oh, I thought you went to the gas station.
No, I went to Walgreens.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh no. Don't judge me. I'm naked in a loincloth.
It's true.
Okay, hit the button.
Quick save.
Sure, I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
Good. Good.
Don't shoot him, please. Please. Okay, watch this. Oh, shoot.
Okay.
Are you ready for something amazing?
Yes.
Watch this.
Okay. Yeah.
You have no idea how happy I am. You have no idea how happy I am.
There you go.
Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea?
I don't know.
Do you have any idea? Oh,
Okay.
shut up.
What?
His name is Jared. These episodes suck all the time. Shut up. I can fart. Get over here, you high fuck. There's two left?
What?
There's two left.
Was there a secret? Did we miss a secret?
No. No. We didn't. I got the hiccups.
Go up? Try it.
Can we stop?
What? Maybe it's in the next section of this gulag?
Oh shit, we gotta stop.
Why?